passionate about working with people in general. You know, it comes once again from this small campus vibes. Gives you really great opportunities to work more closely with teams, with people, connect with people better. I say it on my tours. I used to say it on my tours so many times how, like, small classes, your professor gets to know you. You're not just a face in the class, you're just a name on the roster. Like, they say hi to you in the grocery store whenever they see you. They would be like, hey, how is like basketball season going? Or how is that project going in like software engineering class? Versus the downside is if you skip a class, they will know that you skip a class. With all the opportunities here, even with the student server room, you can get very close to, I feel like, what is happening in the industry, because not a lot of colleges have like a student server room, right, where you can actually connect Ethernet cables, you know, configure different settings, you know, set up firewalls and all this stuff, build your own server, basically. Not a lot of universities have a project room, you know, in their cybersecurity and computer science building, where you can work on projects, where you can solder stuff together, where you can play with electronics, even though you don't have electrical engineering degree. Ideally, I would want to work on a very cool product, on a very cool software product with a cool team. That's kind of like very general goal, not super clear. But what I value is building something, creating something that I like, that will benefit a lot of people, and working with a team of people that I like, that I feel comfortable with. Being a small school, and it offers a lot of opportunities for different people. Like, if you come here, I think there is a very, very high chance that you will find what you need. You will find people who also like what you like.